Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you 10 tips how to motivate yourself and accomplish your goals. So let's get it started. Motivation. 10 simple steps for self-motivation. 6. Use mistakes as experiences. This entails learning from your past errors because, as humans, we are all liable to make them as a result of character flaws or fundamental deficiencies. Keep in mind that errors are not fatal. They can teach us important things. When things don't go as planned and the intended results aren't achieved, most people tend to lose motivation. 7. Examine your motive. Once again, as Dr. Stephen R. Covey puts it, the key to motivation lies in the motive itself. Should your motives be good and in conformity with laws, motivation follows automatically. But beware, wrong motives can lead to misplaced motivation, which can land even the most stable and sober person into deep trouble. Once your motives are positive and clear, motivation follows automatically. 8. Avoid getting overstressed. There are 2 distinct categories of stress. Negative stress is the kind that results from bad deeds, interacting with annoying people, being lazy or sluggish, repeatedly being exposed to painful or unpleasant events, and feeling lonely. Solving household or work-related issues causes positive stress. Once the problem is fixed or after a long day of work, positive stress usually leaves you content and joyful. There will soon be stress in daily living. You may stay motivated by maintaining your motivation. 9. Choose to be happy. This may seem like a difficult task for anyone dealing with challenging circumstances. Nevertheless, it is important to remember that every unfortunate circumstance ends. Remember that everything awful will pass eventually. Losing motivation or fretting about something will not assist in solving any issues. Your drive can be sustained by just remembering that every issue is only temporary. 10. Chart your map. Unfortunately, most people start a project or pursuit without giving the outcome much thought. You can instead create your own roadmap. Make a list of how and why you wish to start. This is a powerful motivator in and of itself. Keep in mind what the precise goal or conclusion of your endeavor is at the same time. Be fearless to pursue your aspirations and objectives. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.